In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grammarly AI quickly and easily. Whether you're working on a school paper, drafting an email, or writing content for your blog, Grammarly AI is a handy tool that can elevate your writing to the next level. So let's dive right in and explore how you can make the most of this powerful resource in just a few short steps. First, you'll want to open up a new document. This could be a Word document, a Google Doc, or any platform where you can type and edit text. If you're new to using Grammarly, make sure you have it installed as a browser extension, or if you prefer, have the standalone app open. Opening a document is like opening the door to a more polished piece of writing. It sets the stage for what comes next, allowing Grammarly to seamlessly integrate into your workflow. Once your document is ready, it's time to click on the Grammarly Go AI feature. You'll typically find this option on your Grammarly dashboard or integrated within your document editor. Clicking on Grammarly Go AI activates the Grammarly tool ready to start refining your writing. It functions like your personal editor, offering suggestions to improve grammar, style, tone, and more. This is where the magic starts to happen. Now you'll need to select what you want the AI to do. Grammarly offers a variety of options depending on your needs. Perhaps you want to check for grammatical errors, enhance clarity, make your writing more engaging, or adapt the tone to suit a particular audience. By selecting these preferences, you're giving Grammarly specific instructions, tailoring its feedback to better fit your writing goals. Customizing the AI's approach ensures that the edits align with your individual voice and needs. As you review the suggestions, you'll notice how Grammarly Go improves your writing. The tool is designed to identify errors and inconsistencies while offering precise and helpful corrections. It's a bit like having your own writing coach, pointing out areas that need improvement and helping you learn from each suggestion. This ongoing process enables you to develop a more refined writing style over time. Lastly, don't forget that you can also use Grammarly Go in Gmail. This feature is especially useful for those of us who are always firing off emails, both professional and personal. With Grammarly integrated into your Gmail, your correspondence will be clearer and more effective, ensuring you communicate your message accurately and professionally. From catching typos to rephrasing sentences for clarity,